James's first fish of the session, and he didn't even know he had it on.
Must have been on for ages.
Is it a whopper?
Oh, it's right beast.
Where's your landing net?
Oh, it's right, oh yeah.
James, why are you struggling with your beam?
Oh, it's killing. Oh, it's right beast. Gotta play the fish, haven't I?
Is it going into the record books?
Oh, it's just a right curve there. Oh, what's that? Is that a carp? Oh, I think it is. Oh, nice one, Jim. Only foul up there. You foul up? Oh, yeah. Like that. Oh, nice one, Jim. Take your chance on. What's that on? Monsters. Right. Oh, it's not ready yet. Hey, so you're going to get Waynesfield, aren't you? Right, feisty. Take that.
First carp of the session. How did you not know you got that?
No idea. It's not like that at all, is it?
Lovely common now. Go and get me weighing mat. Listen. Just on the inside it. Just wait, get weighing mat as well, but just on the right hand side it bivet, scales. Yeah, mate, your glory, pal. Your glory, man.
Weigh it out.
The mat weighs £2. Right. You have to take £2 off that mat.
What's that at? 11.5?
£9.5.
£9.5.
Oh, that's alright, let's have it up. Bring it towards camera and then we'll have a photograph. In fact, leave it there on top of Matt, James. His first French carp, and it goes to James. Congratulations.
Thank you.